Look at my Bubba Blue. Look at my big old Bubba Blue. We call him Thaynor. Yeah, boy, he getting big, ain't he? Says, look at him. He getting big, ain't he, boy? Yeah. He's only 6 months old. He's already bigger than half my dogs. You're gonna be a big old sweet fluffy boy. Look at that face. Look at that face. I couldn't leave that face. I had to get him too. I went for his sister and I came back with both of them. Yeah. Oh, look at that face. I couldn't leave that face. Big old sweet boy. Yeah, my big old sweet boy. And my Emberly's being mean to him. Ain't she, Emberly, being mean to him? Ain't she? Boo. Yeah, big fluffer. My big fluffer. Bubba Blue. Bubba Blue. I love you. You are my big fluffer now.